Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures for Wednesday, October 1st. For the record, today is Tuesday, October 31. Time is around 6:30 p.m. GMT. So, not much is happening. We are sitting here in this area. I think, yeah, we have a typical Monday and Tuesday before a Wednesday Fed meeting. Not much price action across the markets. However, let's try to give an interpretation to this structure here. So the scenario in green is assuming a fifth wave here to finish this wave A, and we are still missing the fifth wave. So far we believe this is the wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But now this fifth wave has to start, and it does not really start for now. We are just sitting here. But okay, this can be corrective. Wave 2 price action, like if we go to the 15 minutes, then I would say like this is probably our wave 1. And then from here we have an expanded flat structure as a wave 2, like A, B, C, something like this, because it's hard to make a case that our wave 1 is situated here, because from here, yeah, honestly, this only looks like 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. So this could be counted here as 5. And then here a corrective wave 2 as a flat A, B, C. Let me, I can also put it here on the chart. I'm sorry, this is not right. So then like this, a wave A from here, a wave B down, overshooting wave B, and now a wave C up. Here we took out the wave A, and then this wave C can be our wave 2. And therefore we cannot take out the high right here, and then from here we could start the impulse down. That's a possibility, but yeah, here in the 4 hour, the problem is that yeah, this starts to look like a different cycle, so that this here has nothing to do anymore with this cycle. And if this has nothing to do anymore with this cycle, so if we are starting a new cycle here, then the best count would actually be here the three wave structure, the three wave corrective structure playing out as a WXY. And then this is a cycle down as a wave W in 3 waves. We are not ending with divergence. This is what the 3 wave corrective structure should do. And then here we can actually have an expanded flat structure. So if you follow my updates on the Nikkei, we had a similar situation there, and we made here nicely the expanded flat structure. So this is something that could also play out as a wave X here. Then we have our impulse here as a wave A. I think in my video of last Friday or this weekend, I was even counting this as 5 ways, because this really looked like 5 ways on the 15-minute time frame. So this could be an impulse, wave A, then corrective wave down B in 3, 1, 2, 3. And then from here, we could have an impulsive move up as a wave C, and then I expect us to go into this area right here, the wave X area. So if we take the length of our wave W, then we should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So these are my two interpretations of the current situation. Corrective price action. We did not really make a decisive move, but if we go up, probably as a result of tomorrow's Fed meeting, then I expect us to go into this area as an expanded flat. If we, or if the result is like this of the Fed meeting, that we see downside, then what we should look for is here the fifth wave down, and then we have here our wave 1 expanded flat, wave 2, and then we are missing a 3, a 4, and a 5 here as a wave 5 of wave A, and then we can expect upside again as a wave B. So let's see what we get tomorrow. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.